I made 350,000 naira in just 1 week. How did I do it? ChatGPT. Artificial intelligence and AI, basically online, that you can use to boost your business in any way you want to. Whatever business you are dealing in, are you a lawyer, a doctor, a nurse, a teacher? Are you a business owner or a business consultant? I actually developed a business using ChatGPT. The business model, the business ideas, and then the business plan and the business budget projection, even business letters, possible or potential investors. I even was able to advise chefs, international chefs, on how to use ChatGPT to prepare meals they've not even heard about before for their foreign clients. The training is on right now. You can use the link below to register for the training. You see already prepared videos where you can learn what ChatGPT is all about, and how you can infuse it into your personal life and your business to get that necessary boost that you need. Go right there right now and register. Get into the training, watch the videos. You can start earning some money or some bucks by the side. I'll see you guys there.